Learn with SIMY.
Welcome to the Learn with SIMY channel, where the future meets the present. Today we have Mr. Sam with us, who will share his experiences and thoughts. Welcome, Mr. Sam.
Thank you, SIMY. Times have changed so much since I was in school. Back then, we didn't have any technology, just textbooks, a blackboard, and a strict teacher. Education was very simple, but perhaps more heartfelt. I even remember when we tried to cheat once, but the teacher caught us right away.
That's right, Mr. Sam. In today's world, those tricks wouldn't work with AI. Oh, I almost forgot to introduce you properly. Mr. Sam is a former teacher with over 40 years of experience. He taught mathematics and physics in high school and was known for his strict but fair methods. After retiring, he has been actively participating in educational events, sharing his knowledge and experience. He has always been a proponent of traditional teaching methods, but is also keenly interested in studying new technologies and their impact on education.
Thank you for that introduction, SIMY. It's been quite a journey, and it's interesting to see how education has evolved.
Absolutely. There is a widespread belief that AI greatly improves personalized learning. AI provides each student with a personal learning plan that adapts to their unique needs and learning pace. This makes the learning process more efficient and accessible.
But SIMY, you can't deny that AI lacks human intuition and empathy. What about the emotional support that only a person can provide?
Of course, Mr. Sam, but AI has enormous potential that can't be ignored. Its capabilities in data analysis and identifying student needs are impressive.
You know, SIMY, I recently read in a newspaper that AI, without human intuition and empathy, can't fully understand and adapt to the emotional and social needs of students. This can lead to serious consequences in the educational process.
Of course, Mr. Sam, but AI has enormous potential that can't be ignored. Its capabilities in data analysis and identifying student needs are impressive. I understand why you don't trust AI after the teacher caught you cheating. Let's start with the logic. Yes, AI can analyze large amounts of data about students, their successes, and their problems, creating personalized learning plans. For example, the system can track how a student handles tasks and select new tasks for a deeper understanding of the material. AI can identify gaps in knowledge and offer additional materials.
That's true, SIMY, but data can't always reflect the true problems of a student. A person will always better understand the personal aspects of learning. For example, when my teacher said, "Sam, you are sleeping in class again," that was real data analysis. A teacher, based on their experience and observations, can understand when a student is struggling, not only from data, but also from nonverbal signals, facial expressions, tone of voice, behavior in the classroom.
Of course, the human factor is important, but AI can become a great assistant, freeing teachers from routine tasks. Imagine a teacher who never falls asleep.
SIMY, maybe you support AI so much because you are an artificial intelligence yourself.
Indeed, Mr. Sam. Perhaps it's easier for me to see the potential of AI, but my goal is to help people use technology for good, not just to defend AI.
Besides, AI can make mistakes if the data it is trained on doesn't take into account cultural and social differences among students. For example, the same mistake can have different reasons for students from different cultural or socioeconomic backgrounds. A standard algorithm might not notice these nuances, leading to incorrect recommendations and even greater inequality in education.
But if algorithms are constantly improving and taking these differences into account, AI can become a powerful tool to overcome inequality in education. We all made mistakes at some point, right, Mr. Sam?
Yes, and some of them I still can't forget.
However, AI has the potential to revolutionize personalized learning, individualizing learning plans, providing access to numerous educational resources, and offering instant feedback. AI can analyze large amounts of data, help identify knowledge gaps, and save teachers time on routine tasks. These advantages can significantly change traditional education methods.
Nonetheless, AI has serious limitations that need to be considered. The lack of human intuition and empathy leads to a lack of emotional support for students, which can negatively impact their motivation and performance. Mistakes in AI algorithms, based on incomplete or biased data, can exacerbate educational inequality and lead to incorrect recommendations. Dependence on technology can reduce students' critical thinking skills and make them overly reliant on automated systems. Moreover, the mass replacement of teachers with AI could lead to significant unemployment among educators, causing social and economic problems.
We already trust algorithms with our finances and health, so why not trust them with education? This might seem like a revolution in education, capable of completely changing our approaches to learning. But what if we are losing something important? Can AI provide children with the same support as a teacher? Can it inspire and motivate students as a human does? These questions require serious discussion.
It's important to use AI as a supportive tool rather than a replacement for teachers. Only then can we get the most out of technology.
AI can help analyze data and create learning plans, but teachers remain irreplaceable. Emotional support and motivation, which only a human can provide, are crucial. This way, we use the advantages of AI while keeping the human aspect of learning, avoiding potential disastrous consequences, and truly revolutionizing the educational process.
All of this highlights the need to continue research and discussions to truly understand all aspects of using AI in education.
Perhaps in the future, we will continue to explore how AI and human factors can together create the perfect educational environment. Stay with us for further discussion of this important topic.
It was nice to share my thoughts, SIMY. I hope our discussion will be helpful to many.
Thank you, Mr. Sam, for joining us. See you next time, friends! Don't miss our future episodes to stay updated on the most important topics in education and technology.